Hello children, hopefully all of you are fine. Today I am going to teach you one simple craft work, that is tea coaster. It is very easy to do, so let us start. For that we need CD, old CDs, scissor. It will be better if you manage the foam sheet. See, it is very soft. Foam sheet. And if the foam sheet is not there, then you can do it with the paper. I am going to do with the paper. If you have the foam sheet, you can do it with that also. So different colored papers we need. Here I have taken yellow and pink color paper. Then we need the crayons. Only red color crayons are needed. So I have taken out the red color. Then we need the marker pen. If it is permanent marker pen, then it will be good. Then we need the sellotape. Now children, if you want to do with the foam sheet, then you don't need the sellotape. But if you want to do with the paper, then you need to get the sellotape. It's a tea coaster. First of all, we will take the paper. Okay, then we will take the measurement of the CD. Then we will mark it. After that, we will cut. See, this type of papers will come out, the circle shaped. Then on that you can draw the emojis. I am going to show you how to draw it. You can portray different kind of emotions. I prefer to do all the happy emotions. Now make it much more prominent. Let us write some words. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Now it is ready. Now what we have to do, we will take one old CD. See, this is one old CD. Then I will paste this paper with the Fevicol. Okay. Now I will color the tongue. Okay. Now I have colored the tongue. Now little bit of red color I am giving on the cheeks. Now this part has been done. Now I am going to show you one important thing. As it is the tea coaster, so we need to put something on the top. Okay. If you are doing with the foam paper, then simply you can draw and the tea coaster is ready. But if you want to do with the paper, then you have to do something with the sellotape. Please watch it carefully. Now you have to open the sellotape. This is the first layer I have given. Cut it. Then this is the second layer. And this is the third layer. Okay. Now turn it back and paste the sellotape at the back. Fix it nicely. If you are going to do with the rubber sheet, then you don't have to do these things. Okay, now press it nicely. See the front part. Okay. Now this part we need to cover. Now for covering the thing, I have taken out one more circle from the pink paper, and now I am going to paste this. So for that I will use the Fevicol. Okay, I have spread the Fevicol. You can use your finger to spread it more, or you can use the brush. Now leave it for a few minutes. After that, you can fix the paper on the top. Now the back portion is looking good. It is looking good, isn't it? Now it is ready. Your tea coaster is ready. So you can try it nicely at home. Other emoticons you can also draw. I can show you some of the emoticons. Now see. I believe you know better than me. All these drawings are so easy and I believe that you can do better than me. Okay? So this type of things you can draw. Here are the few tea coasters. I hope you will enjoy doing it. Bye bye. Thank you.